Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change Hello Light effect settings in Infinix Note 40. So for this feature guys, first of all go to settings and then scroll so that we have option of active Hello Lightning. So just tap here guys and then enable this feature. So by the way, the Hello Light is this light and we can set its colors by going to light effect settings. You just tap on light effect settings and by the way, these are the lights. This one is the multi light. If we're talking about red light, so yes, we have red, orange light, purple, green, blue, and in rhythm, this type of light appear. After that, if we're talking about AI, so AI has this type of light. Now time to preview. Okay, now let's change the light and then click to review on back. So this is how we can change Hello Light effect settings in Infinix Note 40. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.